Hello there. Today we are going to study verbs and conjugations and numbers. So be ready with your notebooks and pencil. So the first verb is sein. Sein means to be. In English, when we say I'm happy, that shows I'm doing something, being happy or being sad. In German, the same feeling is expressed by sein, but it has different conjugation according to the personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, and sie, and capital SZ. So the Sein conjugation are ich bin, that means I am. Du bist, that means you are. Ist, that means he is. Sie ist, that means she is. Es ist, that means it is. Wir sind, that means we are. Ihr seid, that means they are, they all are. Okay, and sie sind, it is you formal, you are in a formal way, and sie sind. So you have to remember this. Okay, you have to learn it by heart. So please write it down. Ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, and sie sind. Now the second verb is common. The meaning of common is to come. So we have used this verb when we were doing sich vorstellen, introducing yourself lesson, when I said ich komme aus. So the common verb is also conjugated as per the personal pronoun. Ich komme, du kommst, you come. Kommt, he comes. Sie kommt, es kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt, and sie kommen. So whatever verb you are using, the conjugation goes according to the personal pronoun. So there are some common verbs like trinken, heißen, wohnen. You have to do some homework. Just go to the dictionary and just search few verbs and look at the conjugations. Like in this slide, I have written ich trinke, ich heiße, ich wohne. Du trinkst, du heißt, du wohnst. But there is a spelling mistake. I'm so sorry about that. So it will be in trinken, it will be TRINKST. Trinkt, TRINKT. Sie trinkt, es trinkt, wir trinken, ihr trinkt, sie trinken. So just have to add N after I. Now comes the most awaited answer. Difference between three Z's. So first Z, she with a small s, has a conjugation like won't. Wohnen verb and the conjugation is won't. Z, the next Z is they with yet again a small s, has no change in the verb. The wohnen will remain the same. And the third Z, with this is a formal U with capital S, has no change in the verb, but the S is capital, and that's the way to differentiate it. Okay, so the conjugation will differ, and that's the only way to identify between these three Z's. Now, numbers. Zahlen. Zahlen. Numbers in German are very easy. You have to just learn till 12 and then you are done. So I'll tell you the trick. Okay. So 1 is eins, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is 12. Then 13 is 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now 21. Ein und 20. Und is and 20 is 20. So now just jump to 25. So 25. Then jump to 28. 28. So the number which is coming at the end in maths, it will come in the front in German. Okay. So 29 is 29. Then 30. How do you write 35? Will be 35. Okay. Now the letters at the side of the slide, they are some special alphabets. U with 2 dots. This dot is umlaut. So U with 2 dots, umlaut is U. This beta sign is pronounced as double S and it is called a set. A with umlaut is A. O with umlaut is OI. So U, double S sound, A and OI. So these are the special alphabets in German. Now we will do a quick exercise. Woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? Wir wohnen in Berlin. We live in Berlin. Trinkt Kaffee. He drinks coffee. Sie heißen Samira. She is called Samira. Her name is Samira. Alida und Bilal, was trinkt ihr? Alida and Bilal, what are you drinking? Frau Schiller arbeitet an der Sprachschule. Lady Schiller works in the language school. And in the side I have given the verb arbeiten, to work. Du arbeitest, sie arbeitet, arbeiten. So that's the end of our class. In our next class, we will do practice for voice examination and how to ask questions like what, where, how, when, and some rules for sentence formation. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Learn German with Ease.